Hi everyone, I'm Lilian Kirunyu. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple meal, bean stew in curry. We're going to serve it in some cumin rice, and let's get started. Spoons of oil. It's a little bit hot, so we're going to put in our onions. Those are 2 diced onions, and then together with the green hoho and our dania stems. We'll cook them for about 5 minutes until they are soft. The onions are a little bit soft. We are going to add in our crushed ginger and garlic. That's 1 tablespoon. And then we're going to cook it for about 2 seconds. Yes. Our garlic and ginger is done. We are going to add in our chopped onion, our chopped tomato. Those are 2 tomatoes. Then we'll add our spices. We have 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and 1 teaspoon of paprika, and a beef cube. Mix them together. Then I'll add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Stir. And then we're going to cover it for about 3 minutes to let the tomatoes cook together with the spices. After 2 to 3 minutes, our tomatoes are nicely done. We're going to go in and put our beans. These are 2 cups of yellow pre-boiled beans. We'll mix them together. Let them combine properly. And then we'll add some water. That is half a cup. Let it boil for a minute. Our beans have boiled, so we're going to taste for salt and put a little bit of it, some dash of black pepper, our desiccated coconut. Give it a good mix. Some coriander, we let this simmer for 1 minute, and then we are going to serve. Our beans are ready. We are going to serve them with some boiled rice. We boiled the rice in some cumin. It tastes very nice. And then our bean stew. And we're ready to eat.